folks, welcome back to our virtual farm field trip restoration edition. We are here with an expert.
Hi everyone, my name is Jess and I'm the landscape and restoration specialist at 21 Acres.
Awesome, so we talked a little bit earlier about what restoration is, but I was hoping you could share what restoration looks like here on the farm.
Well, a lot of my day-to-day consists of planting plants, starting seeds, clearing out invasives and making sure plants are getting watered, and just taking care of these ecosystems as I see appropriate.
Awesome. And maybe you could share a little bit about what a native ecosystem is versus an invasive.
Well, in Washington State, we have a bunch of different ecosystems that just kind of adapted and evolved to be specific to this area. And so that's kind of how we define what a native is. It's basically over time has become really specific to the place that it grows in.
Nice.
Yeah.
Cool. Do you want to share anything else before we tour the greenhouse?
I just wanted to say that sometimes, restoration, I think, is a really important piece of climate action.
Yes.
Yes. So restoration is like a great way that basically everyone in the whole entire planet across the globe, we can really come together and start restoring parts of our planet so that it functions better and we can control climate change, essentially. So
Woo!
It's an important tool and it's a great thing to learn about. So I guess we should have a little tour.
Yeah, let's see. So I'm going to come grab the camera and you can show us what you do here and all your beautiful baby plants.
Well, sure. Okay, here we go. Right now, we are standing in the native greenhouse, and one thing that's different about this greenhouse than other greenhouses on the farm is that this one is shaded by a lot of trees. We keep it cooler in here because natives are typically, a lot of them are understory plants that grow in cooler, shaded conditions. So that's what we've tried to kind of create in here. But we also wanted to make it warmer to help seeds germinate. So one thing about native seeds is that they're all different. Like different triggers will help them know that it's time to basically open up and grow a plant. So some seeds need to get eaten by a bird, some seeds need to be in an area where there's water or fire. These seeds in particular, these sedge, I put them in the fridge in the winter, and once I put them in this warm soil, they knew it was time to open up and wake up. So they're doing quite well. I'll have to thin them out, but this is gonna go in our bioswale. And then now we're in the part of the nursery that has larger plants. A lot of these I propagated on site, and then some of them we got from other plant nurseries all over Washington State. And so I'll just point out maybe a few plants. So these are plants that I made cuttings of myself. They're willows, and willows are super great at crowding out invasive plants and growing in their place, and they also provide a bunch of habitat for birds and other types of critters that want to live underneath them and look for insects and things like that. Ooh. This is a sword fern. You guys have probably seen these around. They're great understory plants, and they can stabilize soil, and they're also a good hiding spot in case you're looking for one. And then what else do I have here? This is a Nootka rose, which has beautiful flowers that attract pollinators and creates a fruit at the end of the season that some animals might find tasty. So yeah, there's all kinds of fun stuff to see out here in the nursery. I hope that sometime you'll come by and check it out.